everybody. What is up? What is up? What is up? I look so sleepy. I recorded this like twice. This is my first video on YouTube, so give me your thoughts. Be nice. But I'm going to give just a few stocks. Consider joining the Discord. It's $25 a month. You get full access to the Discord. We also have a Facebook group you can get in for free. Both offer so much information to you guys. I'm telling you, it is so worth it. So I hope you guys genuinely join, and we can make money together. You know what I'm saying? I had a few guys join last week, and it was pretty cool. So I'm growing it. I was asked to do this. This was actually a request to make a Discord. So I hope that you guys consider joining. I try to gear towards the beginner because I was once a beginner about 4 or 5 years ago. I've been consistently trading for about 3 or 4 years. I've made a lot of money up in the stock market. I have a TikTok. I have an Instagram I just started. And I have a Facebook private group and a regular Facebook just to give people ideas like I'm doing on YouTube. So if you guys want to join, consider. Subscribe. We'll be doing videos maybe every other day or every few days, but I would love for you guys to support me through this process and hopefully consider joining the Discord and get some knowledge. Definitely going to make a course, but right now I'm teaching you guys. I'm showing you guys my thoughts on charts and where we are right now in the stock market. This is a perfect time to invest. As years are going by, you want to definitely get in the stock market, make your money, grow your account, have more than one income at this point in life. You want to do it all. Be ready, be ready, be ready. So I want to start off with SPY. So I'm going to go back to, because I've had this Discord for maybe about a week or two now. I haven't had it long, but I've been having a lot of people inquire and join. So we definitely about to push this thing. So on February 2nd, 2026 at 7:51 in the morning, I put this in my chart thoughts about where we're going in the market that day. Now, I said this is a falling wedge. I don't know how I messed all this writing up, but I said rising wedge pattern. This was a lotto play. I took it. I said eyeing SPY 672 puts for 326. Well, on Thursday, I believe that's that same week. Thursday was, I think, so this must have been maybe like Monday or Tuesday, but I think by Wednesday, Thursday, it sold off to 272. Actually sold off to 273 before the market closed. Ended up at 270 and had a relief bounce on Monday, which is normal. And plus, Trump canceled all tariffs that Friday. So, for now. So, that's what I saw that day. So, what do we see today on 2/8? What I see is uncertainty. Symmetric triangle energy, which means this bad boy can go here, or it can go here, or it can go, or it can go here. We're at that point right now. It can come down, bounce, go up. It can come up here, bounce, and go down. That's kind of where we at. It's just stuck in this range between 298 and this 265, 275, 276 area. And it broke under here. Like I said, it broke down to 670 aftermarket, which was like right here. It broke down there at aftermarket, but it didn't do it during the market hours because it didn't hold on Friday. Friday was a green day because it was a relief bounce. Let's make that very clear. Now, I'm not saying that it can't continue up. I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is it had a relief bounce on Friday. Fridays are always volatile. You never know a lot of people don't know where the market is going on Monday. There's a lot of times Fridays be green, Mondays be red. Sometimes Fridays be red, Mondays be green. Sometimes Fridays be red and Mondays be red. Because of where we are, like in the system period, with government and everything, and no, it's not always controlling the market. This can also be a technical analysis thing. I see we're stuck in the range, period. I don't know what else to put it at. Rising wedge, definitely, but I believe we're still stuck in this range. If we look at it from far out, and take and really look at it, we're stuck in a range. We're stuck in a range. And until, because it keeps bouncing here, bouncing, but then also bouncing here, bouncing. It's not making a direct, place it's going. It's not locating nowhere else. It's just kind of stuck. So if it breaks over, I wouldn't trade SPY more like far out. I wouldn't do like no swings and no leaps. You do what you want to do. Experienced traders do what they want to do, but I consider SPY to be more of a day trade thing. Get your money, get out. Don't even hold it overnight because you don't know what's going to happen the next day. So let's continue going on. The video was another one I was looking at. Now I can go to Apple. Apple, it's not good to me until it retests 270. Everybody's different. Some people, I saw it at 280 and I would like it at 288. But I think it needs to get to that 270. It needs that relief. It needs to break down first. It needs to pull back. It needs that pullback first. And then it continue up to 280. NVIDIA stuck in the range. I remember when I played NVIDIA, it did not work out. I pulled out and broke even that day. That was like last Monday or something like that. So NVIDIA stuck in this range. Even though it pulled back, created this little baby bull flag right here. Even though it created this. Right now, this stock really, really needs, it needs to break above 194 for me to trust it, or break under 170, but I'm more trusting of the 194 break over. Because right now, look, 1, 2, 3 touches of resistance, actually more than that, but if we just looking at it from here, 1, 2, 3, right here, same thing, 1, 2, 3, it just keeps bouncing in between here. So it's basically correcting itself and finding its own direction. So we'll see what happened with NVIDIA. What else? Hood. I liked Hood. Hood was a decent one. Hood stuck in the range to me a little bit too. 71, 77, 93, 64 is my range for this one. I still like it for puts a little bit, but if it broke up to 93 or 100 and then pulled back, because it has earnings on, like, I think Tuesday. If it pulled up and then it pulled back, I'm fine with that too. If it shot up and then pulled back at 100 and came back down under 71, I'm fine with that too. I'm not biased on that one. Coast is the one I'm biased on for calls. It finally broke over 1,000, so if it can hold over 1,000, it's definitely going to go to 1,011. If it breaks over 1,011, it's definitely going to make its way up to 1,041. So let's just keep an eye on Coast. Coast always does good on their earnings. They're a really good stock to trade. Because their revenue does really good. It's extremely popular. Everybody like Costco. Everybody like Costco. So definitely in that one. I'm not even going to lie. Dell's one I'm watching for puts. But if it breaks over 122, then I switch bias on that one. But if it rejects back down, which I see a bearish flag right here, then it could possibly pull back. And if it pulls back under this 110 area, then it's definitely going down to 100 for sure. So let's see what that stock does as well. ABBV, saying that too fast. That one I like too for calls. I like that one for calls, but I want to see it break. Where it broke, it actually stayed over 223. So possibly this can see 230 before the week is out. Maybe 236. So let's see what happens with ABBV. I like this stock for calls. I've been looking at it for a while. It just had its pullback. Okay, whoop-de-doo. Now it's making its way back up. It was one more I had. I think I did Hood already. Yeah, I think we're okay. I want to see what the stock market do tomorrow. It was some information I heard, and I want to kind of hear it out more before I push the envelope and give out more stocks. Because I see A-Lab was one that did really good. It even gave you opportunity to jump in it for calls. A-Lab, to me, is a great stock, and I'm so mad that I did not stay in this stock. I'm so mad I did not stay in this stock. I, for the life of me, don't know why I didn't stay in this stock. I should have. It's a really good stock to trade. So, but consider joining the family, you guys. I'm pretty excited about what's coming, what's happening, things like that. I hope you guys consider joining the family. Again, Yeah, I like ABBV. I'm not gonna lie. But right now, it's stuck in this range as well. So if it pulls back down to 137 and bounces there comfortably, I'm definitely gonna buy calls for this stock. But it could go to 176 and then pull back and form like a I won't say it's not really head shoulders, but it can break above 176. I will consider 192. But if it goes to 176.99 or around that area and rejects back down, then it's definitely going to fill this gap right here around 150. And then it could possibly pull back to 137, or it could just pull back, fill this gap at 146 and continue back up. So this is a really good stock. A-Lab, I missed the opportunity like 3 times last week. It pulled back $14, shot up 20 some dollars, pulled back, shot, and I keep skipping it. Surprisingly, A-Lab is a really good stock to trade right now at this moment. So I hope you guys consider joining the family. You have a great day, and I hope to see you guys on the other side. Until then, you guys have a great Sunday, and I will be putting out... Oh, I want to talk about one more. Sorry. MOH. Now, I'm going to make a video on MOH. I'm going to show y'all MOH tomorrow. I'll make a video on MOH, promise. So you guys have a great day. I hope to see you guys on the other side, and you be safe out here. It's a lot going on, so have a good day.